Guys, today I will be applying aloe vera in my hair for straight 24 hours to see what happens, and we can expect to change this into this. So the first step is going to be taking a leaf and convert it into a gel. Now, first thing you need to take care of is removing the latex. It can be very harmful, so leave it for some time so that it gets out. After that, just remove the thorns because it can be really harmful for you, and cut the aloe leaf into cubes. Now, carefully try to dissect it using a knife. Try to make a clean cut so that you can scoop the aloe vera out using a spoon. Now, after doing it for some time, I have gotten a bowl full. Now, aloe vera helps in making your hair smoother and shinier. It penetrates your hair follicle and improve damaged hair. A study was conducted in 1992 which found out that it helps in reducing the scalp inflammation which causes dandruff. It also has vitamin B12 which helps in making your hair shine. Now once you have grinded the gel, guys, there are going to be little chunks which are still going to be there, and if you apply it directly in your hair, the white chunks are going to look really bad once your hair gets dried off, and they do not come out easily. So make sure that you go through this process. Now I want to introduce you guys to the Mama Earth onion hair range. Onion is rich in sulfur, potassium and antioxidants which helps in reducing hair fall and accelerates hair growth. It also has plant keratin which helps in replenishing and strengthening your hair. Now this is a shampoo and conditioner which is free from any kind of harmful chemicals which might harm your hair. The brand is plastic positive, guys, and the products are available on Nykaa, Purple, Amazon and Mama Earth. And if you use my code Ritu 2021, you're gonna get extra 20% off. Guys,
I want you to have a look at the amount of hair I lost. Oh, two strands are already drained, so I won't be able to show you that, but yes, two hair strands are still there. I just wanted to show you guys this.
Now, once I have the gel, guys, I am going to be applying it all over my hair strand, and especially I'm going to be taking care of my roots because this is where all the nutrients seep into your scalp. And here I was talking to my mother, so I'm laughing a little, I'm sorry for that. And just make sure that you drench your hair in aloe vera so all the nutrients can get into your scalp, in your hair, and it can work overnight. Now aloe vera has vitamin A, C, B12, folic acid, which is great for your hair, and it also helps in making your hair softer. This is everybody's promising who has carried out this experiment. Now I'm gonna take a polythene bag because I wasn't able to find my shower cap, and after that I will wrap a little towel over it so that moisture can stay intact. So guys, how do I look? And we are getting done with applying the aloe vera in my hair. I have soaked my hair completely, and I have worn a polythene bag over this. I have worn this so that the moisture stay intact throughout the night, and I'll be washing my hair in the morning, and let's see how it goes. So guys, it's early morning, the sun is already up, as you guys can see. It's on my face all over. I'm gonna remove it right now and show you the condition of my hair. It's still all wet. I hope you guys can see that. I'm just quickly gonna wash them. The scalp is also very wet, and you can look at the ends. Now I am washing my hair using lukewarm water. I didn't shampoo my hair, and I have let them air dry at least for 1 to 2 hours, and after that I combed my hair, and you guys can see the results. My hair felt so much smoother, shinier and more manageable than they were before. As you guys can have a look, they look extremely soft, and I felt like just touching them over and over again. I do not say anything about it making your hair longer because I don't know about that, but yes, it makes your hair so much smooth and manageable. The frizz was gone. The only con I feel here is, yes, when you have it throughout the night, it makes your hair fall a little. Apart from that, this is amazing, guys. You must give it a try.